Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add this speech bubble on your profile page in Discord. So I'm just going to put my status to online. Then I'll just go and select the set custom status 1 in settings. You're going to type in the whatever you want for the bubble, speech bubble, I guess. I'm just going to type I'm thinking about food. Then you're going to place the status as online, and you can even clear after today or don't clear. Select save, and when you open up your profile, as you can see, you'll be able to see the speech bubble there. And that is it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!